If you're a real estate investor and you are in a fix between deciding whether to buy property to rent or to flip houses, then this video is just for you. So deciding whether to buy property to rent or flip houses depends actually on your financial goals. What are your financial goals? What are your risks? What's your risk tolerance, your time commitment, and market conditions? Now, we're going to be giving the breakdown that will help you make an informed decision as to which direction to go. Firstly, it's good to know that buying property to rent is a long-term investment. So if this suits your goal, then let's right into it. Now, there are many advantages when you are buying a property to rent. The first one is it gives you a steady income. It provides consistent rental income, which can be a reliable source of passive cash flow. The second benefit is appreciation potential. Property values tend to increase over time, building wealth through equity. Thirdly is tax benefits. Landlords can often deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, maintenance expenses, and depreciation. And finally, we have lower transaction frequency. You see, no need to buy or sell properties frequently, reducing transaction costs and effort. So these are the advantages of buying a property to rent as a long-term investment. However, there are also challenges. There are some challenges with this model. The first one is management responsibilities. It requires time and effort for tenant management, maintenance, and potential disputes, or hiring a property manager, which reduces profits. Secondly, we have vacancy risk. There could be periods without tenants, and that can strain cash flow. Thirdly, we have market dependence. Now, if property values stagnate or decline, your return on investment may decrease. So these are the challenges of this model, and this model is ideal for the following type of people. One, for investors looking for steady long-term returns. And secondly, is ideal for those with access to financing and a stable real estate market. And thirdly, this model is ideal for individuals willing to manage or outsource property management. Now I want to look at flipping houses. Now it should be noted that flipping of houses is actually a short-term investment, and it comes with its own advantages. The first one being that it gives you advantage of quick profits because it has a potential for high return in a short period of time if done correctly. The second advantage is market-driven gains. This allows you to capitalize on rising market trends. So if the trend is favorable to your investment, then you see that your profit will go high within a very short period of time. And thirdly is a creative outlet, and this offers the opportunity to renovate and add value through improvements on the property purchased. Also, there are challenges with this model, and the first challenge is the high risk. Profit margin can shrink or vanish if unexpected repairs costs arise or the market slows. So if you buy a property and you have to renovate it, it's possible the cost of maintenance or cost of a renovation may go higher than what you budgeted for, and that can be a major challenge. Secondly, is significant upfront cost. It requires capital for purchase, capital for renovation, and other associated costs. So these are the major challenges associated with flipping of houses. And third one is time intensive. Demands hands-on involvement in renovation, contractor management, and quick property turnover. So it's time intensive, very time sensitive, and may require you being on ground to ensure that things work smoothly. And four, we have the tax implications. Short-term gains may be taxed at a higher rate than long-term rental income. Now, this type of model is suitable for the following type of people. One, investors with experience or access to expertise in renovations. So if that is your space of operation, as someone that renovates building, then this may just come in quite good for you. And secondly, those comfortable with higher risk and market volatility. And that's a personal thing. Not everybody likes, high risk and market volatility, but if it's your thing, then why not? You can give it a trial. And thirdly, we have people in areas with strong housing demand and undervalued properties. This model can actually be very suitable for them. Now, so the following are factors to consider for either the flipping or the renting. So let's dive into it. Number one, market conditions. In a rising market, flipping may yield quick gains, while in a stable or slow market, rental may provide better security. So the choice is yours. Secondly, capital availability. Rentals require less ongoing cash for maintenance than flipping needs for renovations. Number three, time and expertise. Flipping often requires more hands-on involvement and knowledge of construction. You know, and number four, location. Certain areas may favor one strategy over the other due to rental demand or flipping opportunities. Number five is risk tolerance. Flipping is riskier but potentially more lucrative. Renting is more stable but slower, to build wealth. Now, the best of it all is actually to adopt a hybrid approach. So here, some investors adopt a combination of both strategy. They purchase properties, rent them to cover costs, and sell them when the market appreciates significantly. So this provides both cash flow and capital gains over a period of time. And I tell you that this is actually a recommended model when you have the hybrid of the two. All right, that's it in this video. Now, if you want to get started with your real estate investment, either you want to buy property to flip or the one you want to rent over a period of time, go straight to the comment section. You will see the link to our contact there. Chat with the contact, with the WhatsApp number provided, and somebody will be at the other end to respond to you as you get started with your real estate business. We have properties in different locations across Nigeria that you can start with immediately. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, share this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel so that you can receive more content from me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and it's bye for now.